Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, tracking precipitation and live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar moving in on schedules. A variety of precipitation types as expected. Cold enough initially to start off as some either wet snow or sleet. Live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar and the darker bands of purple and blue. And you can see it right in here and out across eastern Connecticut, indicating some wet snow and a little bit of sleet mixing in further to the north and east. Still dry in places like Taunton, but snowing shortly. And also take note, and the reason why we're not anticipating huge amounts of snow, just for the simple fact that there is milder air and rain offshore. So eventually from south to north, a transition over to all rain later on this evening and during the overnight hours. But we're anticipating anywhere from a slushy coating to about an inch of snow, especially in our northwest suburbs, just for the simple fact that temperatures across the northwest part of the state, especially north and west of the Route 295 belt, right in here. This is Route 4, Route 6. So in this general area, probably the better chance of getting an inch or two of some slush before the change to some ice and then eventually plain rain. But that'll take until probably the midnight hour up in this location. It'll take a while for that mild air to work in. So really tracking two storm systems. The first one for this evening is the weaker one, and the second one for later tomorrow night into Thursday morning is actually stronger. Now, that's not snow. That's actually a lot of rain and some wind and then cooler weather on tap for the latter part of the weekend. It's a combination of wet snow and a little bit of sleet and rain. And this is live pictures now in Narragansett. Right now, the wind picking up. Look at Providence. Visibility is good. Couple of flurries. No steady snow yet. I do anticipate this picture to change significantly in the next 30 to 60 minutes as far as some wet snowflakes coming down. The temperature at 38, so that's above freezing. So initially the snow will melt on the pavement before it starts to stick. Notice most locations now are in the upper 30s, so the air's not terribly cold. Another reason why a whole bunch of snow not anticipated. Threat tracker tonight, medium level yellow, and for Wednesday evening into daybreak on Thursday, still yellow. This time around it will be due to some heavy rain and some strong wind. Satellite and radar composite shows wave of moisture working in right now. Two storm systems. Again, the first storm is a weaker one passing to our south tonight. This one is much stronger. This will track to our west. We'll be on the warm and windy side of it with the heaviest rain tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, very early on Thursday morning, along with some thunderstorms. So almost a spring-like storm system. Futurecast starts off this evening with the snow working in, and then notice the change to rain. 10 o'clock in the evening, still snowing northwest part of the state, but by midnight, most of us switching over to all rain as temperatures eventually inch up above freezing. Tomorrow morning at 7 a.m., it's in the low 40s, no ice or snow, with rain showers, drizzle and fog. Slightly steadier rain. This is 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. But draw your attention to 7, 8, 9 o'clock tomorrow evening. Heavy rain, wind, and some thunderstorms, and that will extend into very early on Thursday morning. Just a potpourri of precipitation types this evening. Initially snow, sleet, over to a frozen mixture, then over to some ice and rain later tonight, with temperatures holding in the mid-30s. Tomorrow morning, looking at showers, rain showers, and areas of fog, with temperatures rising above freezing, 42. In fact, the warmest part of tomorrow is actually tomorrow night, with temperatures in the 50s. Thursday morning, early, 5, 6, 7 a.m., is stormy. Heavy rain, wind, and thunder improving Thursday afternoon. And then we can relax Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Quiet weather and cooler with temperatures in the 30s and 40s. For a few hours, it'll come down with big, wet, fat, heavy snowflakes before that switch over to all rain. So be careful. We're thinking a thin coating to an inch, no more than that.
All right, take it slow. All right, Tony.